The name of this book is Igbagbo ati Esin Yoruba. This is a Yoruba book. It's written in Yoruba language. As you can see, Igbagbo ati Esin Yoruba. The meaning of Igbagbo is believe, ati and Esin. Esin, that is religion of the Yoruba people. So the first publish of this book was 1985, as I just showed you. Now these are the table of contents. As you can see, this book talks about the Yoruba belief system, the story of creation, then the notable Orishas in Yoruba land, the Oriki of the Orishas. As you can see, can you see Igbagbo? Igbagbo means belief. Then the Orishas, Obatala and other Orishas, other notable Orishas. They are all explained in this book. More than 20 Orishas are explained there. So if you get a copy of this book, you are going to learn about the notable Orishas in Yoruba land. So it's written in Yoruba language. So for those of you who are not Yorubas, I'm sorry, this book is written in Yoruba language. If you need a copy, you know how you get to me.